Is your cat drinking enough water? Moisturizing is really important for cats. The lack of moisture can lead to constipation and kidney disease in our cats. The Elua Apple Water Purifier not only can help improve the amount of water the cats drink, but also offer clean water to our cats. Let's take a look at how to install the Apple Water Purifier. First of all, you should place the motor at the bottom of the body, and then install the filter above it, and then the sponge filter. The Elua Apple Water Purifier is simple to install and disassemble, so it's easy to clean it and be used more often. You can use it without the apple stalk too. The Apple Water Purifier filter consists of a sponge filter and Filter X. First, a sponge filter helps remove the cat hair and foreign substances. Let me introduce the Apple Water Purifier Filter X. The 5-layer laminated structure is designed to provide cleaner water for our cats. Let me show you the 5 functions for the Filter X. First, the fine nylon filter mesh removes the fine particles. Second, the coconut shell activated carbon removes heavy metals, chlorine, and odors. Third, the mineral stone supplies healthy beneficial minerals. Fourth, the Prolite ion exchange resin softens the water. Fifth, silver ion formula kills 99.9% of germs. Don't panic when the motor of the water purifier is not operating. First, open the side of the motor with the socket still plugged in. Then, it can be solved by turning the white fan inside with a small instrument. The Elua Apple Water Purifier, which is a great small gift for a cat.